How you doing, people? Hope you're well. Okay, I'll cut straight to the chase. So for a limited time, I'm going to be offering free coaching. No catch, it'll be completely free. So what does that actually entail? It'll be free follow-along videos to my 28-day programs that you can see on billiondollarsyndrome.com, combined with email communication with myself to customize the programs to your individual needs. That may be the scheduling, that may be the exercises themselves, the intensity of the exercises, the form associated with the exercises, and it's with a goal to get fitter, stronger, lose weight, gain muscle, and of course, get healthier, as well as a degree of athleticism as we age. The plans are calisthenic based, in other words, body weight based, so you don't need any equipment. And not only do they develop the things that I've just mentioned, but they will also develop functional fitness. And that's achieved by moving your body in different ways, rather than isolated movements in a gym or very repetitive movements that are just the same over and over again. The plans are based around HIIT style workouts, high intensity interval training, but we will be building up to the level of intensity. The key thing is here that you can start as a beginner, an intermediate or advanced. Each of the three timelines progress through 28 days. Timeline 1 and timeline 2 don't need any equipment. Timeline 3 also involves pull-ups and dips. So that's a little bit heavier on the muscle building, but is a bit more advanced. So your next question is, who am I and what do I know? Well, my name's Duncan Walsh. I studied and was qualified in sports science in Manchester, UK, but I also played professional squash. When I was 40, I became veteran world champion. And in those years, I trained hundreds and hundreds of people for weight loss, fitness and muscle building. I also used to coach and train people at Ivy League universities in the US. In my time, I've done monster training session after monster training session, some of which are records that are still unbroken. And I've also got a keen interest in the most recent sports science. You may be able to see from my own videos the level of fitness I'm working at the moment, and I've just turned 60. And that's why functional fitness is very important, moving your body in different ways. So I've dedicated a period of time now for doing this, helping people get fitter, healthier, and looking better. If you would like to do this, or you know someone that might be interested in doing this, go to either my channel Billion Dollar Syndrome or Duncan Walsh Over 40 Fitness, subscribe there and reach out to me at the email address billiondollarsyndrome@gmail.com. We'll then get started with communication and see what you need. Like I say, you'll get an idea for the type of plans they are looking at billiondollarsyndrome.com. Circuits that you can do anywhere with no equipment required, but crucially with that email coaching, which is going to differentiate it from generic plans. Okay, thanks again. Look forward to communicating.